Sony LinkBuds S review. The Sony LinkBuds S are among the most intuitive wireless earbuds we've ever reviewed. These LinkBuds mirror other mainstream true wireless earbuds in terms of looks, and like the original Sony LinkBuds, they're designed for all-day wear. For $199/349 Australian dollars, the Sony LinkBuds S promise a lot: active noise cancellation and ambient awareness, or transparency, modes that switch automatically based on your activity, autoplay and auto pause features, plus the company's respected reputation for sound quality and performance. The $279, 348 Australian dollars Sony WF-1000XM4 remain the best wireless earbuds overall from the brand. However, the LinkBuds S are positioned as a capable option at a slightly lower price depending on where you live. But are they right for you? Read this Sony LinkBuds S review to find out what's different between the LinkBuds S and the original LinkBuds, plus how the LinkBuds S compare to other top-rated true wireless earbuds. The Sony LinkBuds S are available to pre-order as of today, May 18th, for $199 directly from Sony and retailers including Amazon and Best Buy in the US. In Australia, however, the LinkBuds S don't arrive till July for $349 Australian dollars and 95 cents a piece. Before now, there was nothing between the polarizing LinkBuds WF-L900 and premium WF-1000XM4 that had active noise cancellation but also allowed all-day wear. Though the LinkBuds S might not look or sound much different from a number of models in the saturated wireless earbud market, they redeem some of the trust lost to the strange LinkBuds with a whole by borrowing in-brand features from the company's higher-end headphones. Plus, a great transparency mode and lightweight design truly make it possible to keep them in your ears for hours at a time. That said, if top-notch audio quality is your main priority, we might steer you towards the AirPods Pro. We made so many comparisons to AirPods Pro since you can often find them on sale at around the same price as the LinkBuds S. Or, be patient for a WF-1000XM4 discount. The Sony WF-1000XM3 can be found for under $150/180 Australian dollars, too, and are still some of the best noise-cancelling earbuds. Yet if you consider battery life, ambient awareness and intuitive controls of at least equal importance, the Sony LinkBuds S are easy to recommend. 6 hours of playtime with ANC charging case holds up to 14 hours of playback time. Battery life for the Sony LinkBuds S is rated at up to 6 hours with active noise cancellation enabled, with another 14 hours of playtime available via the charging case, which charges USB-C. In testing, our LinkBuds S were ready to go back in the case after about 6 hours and 15 minutes without phone calls, beating the LinkBuds, 5.5 hours, and the AirPods Pro, 4.5 hours. With a 45-minute phone call in the mix, the LinkBuds S died just after 5 hours. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.